Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. If you've ever felt that Windows' built-in apps just don't cut it for your everyday needs, maybe File Explorer feels clunky, the clipboard is too basic, or simple tasks feel unnecessarily fiddly, you're not alone. Microsoft includes a lot of defaults, but many of them lack polish, flexibility, or features that actually feel useful. That's why I love uncovering underdog apps from the Microsoft Store that fly under most people's radars, but deliver a smooth, modern experience. In this video, I'm going to share 10 free, lesser-known Windows apps, each with ratings over 4 stars on the Microsoft Store, that can make your daily tasks easier, faster, or just more pleasant. These aren't your Netflixes or WhatsApps. They're practical tools that enhance the Windows you use every day. Each app is great for normal users. No coding or geeky know-how required. We'll go through what default feature it replaces or improves, highlight the key benefits, and show how you might use it in typical everyday situations. Ready to upgrade your Windows experience? Let's dive in. Number 1. Ditto Clipboard Manager. Ditto enhances Windows' built-in clipboard by turning it from a one-item scratch into a searchable history tool that saves texts, images, or files for later reuse. It replaces the basic Control-C, Control-V experience with a history you can scroll through using a hotkey and paste from. You can pin frequently used entries, search them by keyword, and even sync between devices if you use it on multiple PCs. It keeps everything accessible without cluttering your workflow. Everyday use is a breeze. Copy multiple snippets while browsing or writing and paste exactly the one you need later. For anyone who does a lot of copying and pasting, this is a life changer. Number 2. TranslucentTB. TranslucentTB gives you full control over the appearance of your Windows taskbar, going way beyond the default transparency options. It lets you make it fully transparent, acrylic blurred, or colored in different scenarios. Desktop maximized windows, battery saver mode, you name it. It's incredibly lightweight and runs in the tray with minimal system impact. Benefits: a cleaner, more modern Windows look and feel, plus personalized visual style. Use it to reduce visual clutter or achieve a sleek aesthetic that matches your wallpaper, while still ensuring text/icons remain legible. Perfect for users who care about the look of their desktop. Number 3. OneCommander. OneCommander replaces File Explorer with a modern dual-pane tabbed file manager that's fast and customizable. It includes features like DirectX accelerated rendering, themes, built-in preview, and Miller column navigation. Drag-drop files between panes easily, preview documents, organize favorites by project group, all without confusing menus. It makes managing files across folders effortless, especially when juggling multiple projects or cloud drives. For home users handling photos, documents, or media, it brings power and clarity without complexity. Number 4. QuickLook. Inspired by macOS, QuickLook lets you preview most file types instantly by selecting a file and pressing the spacebar. No double-clicking, no waiting for an app to launch. Just a quick glance to confirm its contents. It works on images, PDFs, text, media, and more. Minimal setup, no settings needed. This saves heaps of time when browsing folders full of files. Just hit space and move on. Especially handy when sorting photos or checking document contents. Number 5. ReadAloud. ReadAloud gives you a simple way to have web pages, documents, or ebooks read aloud. No need for complex settings or plugins. It's perfect for hands-free listening, proofreading your writing aloud, or giving your eyes a break. Just paste your text or open a file, click play, and listen. The voices are natural and the controls are straightforward. For average users, it's a helpful companion for reading long content or listening while doing other tasks. Number 6. Window Top. Window Top lets you keep any window always on top, make it transparent, or let mouse clicks go through it. Mouse penetration. It upgrades the basic always on top feature you'd normally need third-party tools for. Want a video always visible while you work? Want a scarcely opaque window for reference? Mouse clicks ignored so you can work on what's behind? Window Top handles it. Everyday use: keep music or video playing while browsing or reference an image with transparency. Light, handy, and non-intrusive. Number 7. Super Productivity. Super Productivity improves on Windows To Do by combining task lists, project boards, time tracking, and to-do tasks in one clean app. If the default To-Do app feels too basic or scattered, this gives more structure. Break tasks into projects, track time spent on tasks, set priorities, and due dates. It stays simple, no jargon, just a better overview of your day. For anyone juggling chores, work tasks, or personal goals, it helps keep everything organized and visible in one place. Number 8. My Day. Plan your goals. My Day is a minimal to-do and daily planning app that helps you break big tasks into smaller steps and focus on your personal goals every day. It's not overwhelmed with features, just simple checklists, daily summaries, and goal setting. It replaces trying to use sticky notes or scattered reminders. At the start of your day, you can open it, lay out tasks, groceries, pay bills, exercise, check them off later, and feel accomplished. A light, friendly staple to keep your day on track. Number 9. 1Password, Password Manager. 1Password replaces the basic Windows credential manager with a secure, easy-to-use password vault. It helps you create strong passwords, save them safely, and autofill login forms with just a click. For the average user, it removes the stress of remembering dozens of passwords and improves your overall digital security. 1Password also supports storing notes, payment info, and 2FA codes. It's much more user-friendly than trying to manage passwords in your browser or using sticky notes. Plus, 1Password organizes your passwords by categories, making it easy to find what you need quickly. It syncs securely across all your devices, so your passwords are always at hand, whether you're on your PC, phone, or tablet. The app also alerts you if any of your saved passwords have been compromised in a data breach, helping you stay one step ahead of hackers. Overall, it turns password management from a headache into a simple, seamless part of your digital life. Number 10. ShareX. ShareX replaces the default snipping tool with a powerful but intuitive screenshot and screencast tool, all free and open source. Capture screen regions, record videos or GIFs, annotate with borders and text, automatically upload to cloud services, run hotspots, and even pick color codes. Despite its power, it's easy to start with default hotkeys and simple captures. Use it to quickly grab parts of your screen for feedback, emails, or documentation. It saves time and looks polished, much more utility than the built-in tool. What makes ShareX really stand out is how customizable it is. You can set it up to automatically name, save, or upload your screenshots wherever you want. Perfect for when you're sharing files with coworkers or friends. It also supports a wide range of capture methods like full screen, window, or scrolling capture for long pages. Even if you're not a tech expert, the interface is friendly enough to start using right away, but powerful enough to grow with your needs. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you found even one of these under-the-radar apps helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps others find this video too. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with more tech upskill content and hidden gem recommendations. All the apps I mentioned are linked in the description below. Feel free to click through to try them out yourself. You can mix and match depending on what areas of Windows feel lacking or sluggish. They're all free, easy to use, and great for everyday users who want a smoother, prettier, or more efficient experience. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.